Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. And now, today's celebration. World Engineers Day. Every time you cross a bridge, turn on a light, drink clean water, or use your phone, you're experiencing the work of someone you may never meet, an engineer. Stay with this story to the end. You'll never take their work for granted again. Theme: the builders of possibility. On this World Engineers Day, we celebrate the brilliant minds whose quiet work builds the world around us. Engineers are the people who turn ideas into reality. They design the roads we drive on, the power lines that light our homes, the machines in hospitals, and even the apps we use every day. Their work is all around us, quiet, steady, and essential. On an individual level, engineers make life easier, safer, and smarter. They help bring clean water to villages, build systems that stop flooding, create tools for students, and even design life-saving equipment. As a society, they help businesses grow, solve local problems, and improve how we live and work. And when it comes to nation building, engineers are key. They drive development, power industries, and build the future. Behind every great invention, structure, or system is a team of engineers solving problems most of us never see. They don't just use tools, they use imagination, logic, and heart. Whether they're designing a safer road, a cleaner energy system, or a medical device that saves lives, engineers think ahead. They see problems before they happen, and they find better ways for us to live, move, and grow. That's what makes their work powerful. They build the future, not just for today, but for generations to come. Stories of impact. Real-life testimony. One Joy's story. Our village didn't have clean water for years. We were always sick. Then, a group of young engineers came and built a solar-powered water system. Now, my children are healthy, and I even started a small garden. It changed our life. Just a quick break. If you are gaining something, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Real-life testimony. To Michael's story. I'm a small business owner. My factory used to shut down often because of power issues. An electrical engineer came in, redesigned our system, and now we run smoothly every day. My workers are happy, and I've been able to hire more people. Thanking the unsung heroes. To every engineer working behind the scenes, thank you. Whether you're in boots on a muddy site or behind a computer screen, your work touches every part of our lives. You may not always get the spotlight, but your impact is everywhere. To those watching, if you're planning a project, big or small, don't guess your way through it. Talk to an engineer. They are trained to solve problems, save time, reduce costs, and make your ideas work better. Whether it's building a house, designing a system, or creating a product, they make things possible. Happy World Engineers Day. To the minds that build our world, thank you for turning challenges into progress, and dreams into reality. Let's raise our glasses to toast and honor the unsung heroes. Every engineer working behind the scenes, thank you. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbetere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 16th of September, Inter-Nation Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. The 15th of September, International Democracy Day. 16 September, International Day for Interventional Cardiology. The 17th of September, World Patient Safety Day. The 18th of September, International Equal Pay Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.